Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you on how to switch account on Discord mobile. Now, if this is something you want to learn, then make sure to follow and watch this video till the end. Now, you cannot do this process on your mobile application as there is no option to switch your account. So head over to any web browser on your device. Now there search for discord.com/login and there get logged into your account. Now tap on three dots menu at the top right of your screen and there choose desktop site. Now tap on your profile icon at the left side of your screen. Now there you will be able to see switch account option. Now tap on that option and there tap on add an account option. Now type in the username or phone number of another account and the password of that account. Now once you're done with it, tap on continue button. And there you go, you have switched your account on Discord mobile. Now if you want to switch it to another account, then you just need to tap on that name and there tap on switch accounts and there tap on switch button. And there you go, you have switched your account. Now that was the step-by-step process on how to switch account on Discord mobile. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, then like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.